Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. In this video, we will start learning Linux from scratch. So, we will cover the most important file and directory commands that every beginner should know. Okay, the most important file and directory commands that every beginner should know. So, if you are new to Linux, don't worry, I will explain step by step with examples. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start our today's session. So, our today's session is about, I'm going to start, right? Put the heading important file and directory commands. Okay, so in this part, first we will focus on file and directory commands. Okay. Uh, so first of all, I want to open the s- Linux shell. Then we can start executing the Linux commands. Okay. And also, if you are not aware of how to install a Linux in Windows or WSL system, then I will make a video and I will put the video in the description as well. So you can click on that link and you can watch how to install the WS in Linux. Okay. So first of all, I am going to start the PowerShell, Bash scripting. So here, now I want to clear everything. First of all, so clear it. Now we will start writing our first command like uh, pwd. Pwd. That means that present working directory. Okay, present or print working directory we can say. Okay, a print working directory. Now I am going to execute this one. So here now we are in this folder. Okay, home like anonymous. Okay, it will show you the uh, print working directory. Okay, project working directory. So it will helps you know where you are and when working with many folders. Okay, if you are using many folders, then if you are not aware of what in which folder you are in, then it will help you to find out on which folder you are in. Like in Windows, we are simply opening the folders by simply clicking. So like that, like this here, this is the folder name and then a subfolder name and then again the subfolder name. Okay, so if you want to know in same in the Linux, then we used to use this command like pwd. Oh, okay, next I want to use ls. So ls will list the files. Okay, what are the files you are having in that particular path or folder, then it will list out. So I am going to execute this as well. So here we are having these kind of folders. Okay, this is the list of the folders. Okay, sanketik dot sanketik text, sanketik 1 1 2 3 like that. Okay. uh Next, these ls is useful for normal listing. Okay, for suppose if you want a detailed list with permissions, then you have to use ls with hyphen l, then start executing. So here, wait for a second. So read, write, like that permissions also it will show. So in the previous, it only shows the list. Okay, but here, what are the permissions they have? That will also show here. Okay, and I will write notes for all these commands for a quick review, and I will also send the these notes for the registered people who got registered for our course. Okay, and the course registration link is in the description. Okay, and next I want to use ls hyphen a. So it will shows the hidden files. If you are having any hidden files in that folder, then it will also show that kind of folders as too. Okay, so here these are the so internal files by the system. Okay, so in these dot bash files and dot bash dot logout, these are the hidden files we don't require in for normal use. Okay, it will be in backend of this folder. Okay, if you want to know these two, then you can type ls-a. It will list out the what are the hidden folders in that folder having. Okay, next for clear for better vision, I want to clear this. Okay, I'm clearing this, and now I am going to use ls hyphen lh. So it will shows the human readable sizes of the folders. Okay, ls hyphen lh. Okay, so here. uh, So total, how much am I having? I mean, what will be the memory of that one? Like that, it will show. If you use this command, the command name is ls hyphen lh. It will shows the human readable sizes of that uh, folder. Okay, so it will useful for you to uh, checking the files and the hidden configs and permissions. Okay, these are the comments will helpful for you to checking files and hidden configs and permissions. Next, I want to clear why I am clearing everything every time is for better understanding. Don't be getting confused without any confusion. You may have some proper idea what is the exact command currently we are typing. Okay, so and also here I am going to use the uh, cd command. cd will helps you to cd is nothing but an change directory. Cd is nothing but an change directory. Okay, so here you can simply give uh, cd and any folder name so that it can show the folder. Okay, cd mnt slash c. See here, I had given the folder name, folder path, then it will show, it will went out the this specific folder. Okay. Now, I want to go back to one step. Okay. For that, I am going to use cd space double R. Then let me see. See, from C to MNT, it went out. Okay, from C to MNT, it went out. So for going back one step, then you can use this step. Okay, this command. And next, we can also, if you want to go for particular path, then you can use cd space and path. What will be the path? We can mention it will go to like that mnt slash c, then it will go to the that particular folder or path. Okay, and If you want to go complete home, okay, like here anonymous derivative anonymous, like here if you want to go, then we can use cd space hyphen tilde, okay, cd space tilde, cd tilde, then it will go to the home directory. Okay, it is the default home directory. Then we went from C. We are went out from C to this folder. Okay, home directory. Okay. These comments will helpful for you to navigating through projects folders or system paths. Okay, whatever you want. Next, I want to clear these comments. Next, we are going for mkdir. Mkdir is nothing but a make directory. Okay, it will use to create a new folders. It creates a new folder. So here I'm going to, sorry, I'm going to use mkdir space folder name. I want to create folder name like Sanketik. It says it's our institute name, right? Sanketik. Sorry. Okay. No, just give me a second. RMD here. Sanketik. Now we can execute this command. mkdir Sanketik. So here, instead of creating the same without any confusion, I want to give uh, live classes, or else okay, live I can give. Okay, so it's simply now just I want to clear this. Now I want to use this folder mkdir and classes. Just I want to create the folder like classes. The folder name will be classes, mkdir space classes. Now let's see. See here, that is showing. Now I want to list out the folder names. Okay, see here. Previously, I have created Sanketik and also then classes and then live. Okay, so all of the folders which I have created, it is showing. Okay, so if you want to create parent or child folder, then you can use mkdir hyphen p parent or child. Let's see. Now list out. Okay, so here parent, I had used parent, then that's why it is showing parent. Okay, this is where you can create the folders in Linux by using mkdir command. Okay, these commands will help you to organizing projects, scripts or downloads, anything, whatever you want, you can organize them. Okay, next I want to clear these. Guys, this is a basic commands class, so don't need to worry about knowing in-depth knowledge. Okay, just whatever I am saying, just to concentrate on the comments only. Don't go for in-depth analysis in the initial days. Okay, it may give you confusion and messy. Okay, now I want to okay, one we have created folders. Now I want to remove the folders whatever we have created. Okay, then which command will be helpful for us to remove the folders is rm rmdir rmdir, and also we can use the folder name. Okay, so here lastly I had created classes, right? uh, let's see where it will remove that or not. Okay, now ls, see here, from the classes was went out. Now I want to remove live. Okay, so rmdir live, then list out. See here, live is went out. Okay, so like this way you can remove the folders. Okay, removing is nothing but a deletion in the windows. Okay, but terminal is different, meaning will be the same. Okay, so these for creating we can use mkdir, and then for removing we can use rmdir, and these only works on empty directories. Okay, for non-empty, we can use rm-r. Okay, so if there is a empty folder, then we can use like rmdir. If there is non-empty folders, and I mean, if the folder consists of any files like this, okay, then for removing these kind of stuff, then we can use rm-r. Okay, but now we are having I am having only empty folders, though, so I had used rmdir only. So, and these will help you to cleaning up unused folders, cleaning up for unused folders. Now, I want to clear this first of all, then we can go for next command. So now I want to give, or I want to use the create a file. Okay, previously we had created folders. Okay, now I want to create the files. So for creating files, we need to use one command called touch. Okay, so touch means of it will be create the file. So I want to create one uh file like you can say anything. So here, for suppose s1 dot txt. Okay, now it will create the file like s1 txt. Now list out. See here, s1 dot txt is created. Okay, now I want to create few more files. Then how to use this command? Then for that we need to use touch s1. Sorry, already s1 created, right? So I want to create s2, s3, s4, like that we can use. Okay, now list out. See here, s1, s2, s3, s4 all are created. Like that we can create files also. Previously we had seen how to create folders, then now we have seen how to create the files as well. uh, and also these were helpful for you to starting a new script or text file quickly. Okay, if you want to create quick files, then we can use these. uh, so friends, totally we learned PWD, LS, CD, MKDR, RMDR, touch. Okay. These are the building blocks of Linux. These are the main aspects of the Linux. So every Linux user must and should know about these Linux commands. Without these, you can't even move around or create files. Okay. Uh, practice them 4 to 5 times daily to get comfortable. To get comfortable. Now I want to write the notes for these comments. Whatever we learn, I want to list out the comments which today whatever we can. So it will help you for you to recap. Okay. So first we started with the PWD. Uh, PWD. It will helpful for you to where you are when working with the many folders. Where you are or where you are or when working with the many folders. Okay. Next, what we learn after PWD, we tried with the LS. LS helpful for us to normal listing. Okay. Next, we used which command we used? ls-l. So it will create a detailed list with permissions. Detailed list with permissions. Next, ls-a we had used ls-a. Sorry. It will show the hidden folders. Show hidden files. Next, we had used ls-lh. Human readable sizes. So it will show you the file size of that folders in human readable sizes. Human readable sizes. Okay. Next, we had learned about. I want to give some space after these comments. PW is somewhat different from this, and LS comments are somewhat different from this. Now we had also went for uh, directory comments cd space folder name. Wait for a second. I want to give more extra space for everything. Just 1 second. So it will look neatly for your understanding. Cd folder name. Folder name, what it will give? Go to folder. Okay. Next command we had used cd space double dot. What it will help tells you, go back one step. Next cd space slash path. So if you give the path, then it will direct you to that particular path. Whatever you provided the path, then it will direct you to that absolute path. And next we had used cd tilde space. The symbol name is called tilde. Cd tilde means it will go to home directory. Home directory. Okay. Next we went for mkdir make directory. mkdir creates a new folder. Okay, so after this mkdir, you need to give a folder name. You need to give one space and folder name. Then it will create that folder or directory, we can say. So it will create folders, folder, okay, or directory. Next, mkdir space. If you want to create any subfolder or nested folders, we can say, okay, nested folders, then we can use this hyphen p. Hyphen p means parent or child. Okay, parent or child. Sorry, child. Creates nested folders. Create nested folders. Next thing, we have to, so this is for uh, making directories or folders. Then After making these folders or directories, then we had also removed that created directories or folders. Okay. For that we had used rmdir, right? Rm means remove directory. And here after rm directory, we need to use any folder name. Whatever, whatever folder you want to delete, then you got to give that name, folder name. Then it will automatically remove folder name, removes folder, removes folder. Next, these fields helpful for cleaning up the unused folders. Okay, and then we had you gone for creating the files. This is for folders. It is for folders, making folders. This is for removing folders. Then this is for files. Folders and files are different, right? So here, these are the folders. This PC, like here, Lenovo HTML, Lenovo work. These are the folders, but these are the files in that folder. Okay, one image, two image, three image. These are the files in that folder, like this untitled to untitled. These are the files. So in order to create these files, then we had used touch command. touch touch file name. Whatever file name you will give, it will create like that file name dot txt. File name dot txt. Then it will create the txt file. Creates an empty file. Creates an empty file. Next, we had also created multiple files. Okay, we had also created multiple files like um, s1. We can say we had created like that, right? s1 dot txt, s2 dot txt. Okay, like that. S3, like that. What how many files you want, you can create by using this command. You can simply give space between the each file name, then it will automatically consider as a that will be a new file. Then it will create the new file. Whatever the name you put, according to that it will create. For multiple files, creates multiple files. Multiple files. Okay. After creating this, then we can also use this ls command to whether the file or folder successfully created or not. After using this also, we had used ls command to whether that particular folders or directories or files are created or not. We can acknowledge that by using ls command. Okay, so these will useful for you starting a new script or text files quickly. These touch commands. Okay, let's have one recap before closing the session. So here, first we started with PWD. It will give you the present working directory name and ls for list out the files whatever we are having, and ls-l for detailed list with permissions, and also ls-a for hidden files, and ls-lh for human readable sizes, and cd space folder name, it will go to specific directory. Okay, cd is a nothing but a change directory, and cd space double dots is go back for useful for go backing one step, and cd, if you give cd space slash path name, then it will go for the exact path, and cd space tilde for going home directory, mkdir space folder name for creating a new folder, and mkdir hyphen p or parent or child, it will create a nested folders, and rmdir space folder name, it will remove folder, uh, touch file name, if you give touch and file name together, it will create an empty file, and we can also create multiple files by using touch space for files name. Okay. uh, so friends, today we learned PWD, LS, CD, MKDR, RMDR, touch. These are the building blocks of Linux. Okay. Without this, you can't even move around or create files. So practice them 4 to 5 times daily to get comfortable. So in the next video, we will learn about weaving and editing files using commands like cat, nano, grep, head, tail. If you like this class, don't forget to subscribe to Sanketik live classes and share it with your friends. Uh, it will be our playlist. I will show you that also as well. Here we can find all the our Linux related classes. I will give you the playlist also. Um, uh, and also here, if you want to get updates, very quick updates, then you can hit the subscribe button. You can hit the subscribe button. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. See you in next one.